So today we're going to be doing a tutorial of how to get your whole body in the ground and your head just sticking out. Because I don't know if a lot of you know this, but you can actually do that. So you go over here to the sun, go under it, put your hand on the floor, press the Oculus button, put your hands all the way down, and now you're basically a Roomba. No, slip. I'm a Roomba, and a very angry one. Hello. And to get out, you just like put your hands above and above, then you rise. And if this video gets um wait, oh. If this video gets 100 likes, I will pretend to be new and see how nice people are. I did it before off camera and someone taught me. And then he had to leave like in the middle of it, but he taught me like everything. So I guess I'll do another one if this video gets 100 likes. Okay, see ya.